to run away.
Run away?
Forever?
Forever?
Ran away? Forever? Bye, friend?
What's going on here, little child? What's this say? I'm trying to door. Okay. I ran away. Forever? Bye. That friend? Oh my goodness! Trent ran away! Honey! What? You woke me up from my nap, you old fart! Get out here now! What? We have a problem! Read this! You and I! These are Harry Potter glasses! Bye! Can't you see the problem, honey? Look it! It says, I ran away forever by Trent, so that means Trent rode in, and that means he ran away! Okay, we're gonna go, son! Yes, he is, you moron! Okay, I'm gonna go look for my son.
Go.
Go find
What
him?
happened?
Jack, you stupid little child! What are you still doing at my house? Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out first! I just have to get out of my house! You made my son run away! I just got get out of my house! I'm gonna kill you! You made my son run away! Really? Just let me go pee! Come on, just let me go pee! Just let me pee in the bathroom! No, I have to go to the bathroom with you. Okay, see you soon. Okay, I'm going to check. Missy, come out faster, buddy. Okay, we're gonna go check. Zach, shut up in here. How many times I have to tell you? If you're gonna come to my house, you can't sing while you pee. Stay there, you loser. Let's go look for my child. I got a freaking cat here. I found him, buddy. Look at it. Wait a minute. I can smell him from miles. I have an idea. Brendo, buddy. Oh, come here, little baby mommy. Hello. I promise I'll make something more than macaroni for you. Get to the house. Get out of my house. You are not. You made my son run away. Get out of here, you dork.
Okay, so I'm outside. I'm looking for Tren, but right now I'm going to Ding Dong this because I don't have anything else to do while I'm looking for him, so I guess I should just do it. I'll be quiet because if we're not quiet, they might hear us. It's nice and good. So let's do it.